What is going on, everybody? It's your boy SoFly Trades here, back with another banger. And bruh, it's been a little minute. I ain't gonna lie. Hair done changed. You feel me? A whole appearance done changed. You feel me? I've been gone for about 4 or 5 months. I just been locked in, dialed in on my risk management, and I am proud to say I have achieved my first payout. Let's fucking go. I achieved my first fucking payout. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and just show you this really quick from the email. So you guys can see that. Congratulations. Now, hear me out. I only pulled out 500 from my main account. Where's my main account? I also have 4 funded accounts now. I'm working on my 5th. My main account was sitting at 2,800. I pulled out a $500 payout from that, simply because I just wanted to pay myself for my hard work. And my other 3 accounts are sitting at 1,300 right now. I took a $70 L today, and get this, my other 3 accounts qualify for a payout now. Yo, shit is starting to move fast, bro. I'm trying to tell you, it's like, I don't believe in too much luck, but I believe in preparation meeting opportunity, and I've been preparing for so long. These opportunities is hitting now. Let me just show y'all, just so you guys can see I'm not bullshitting. You feel me? I requested a payout on March the 8th at 6:51 p.m. It's finalized right here. I'm just waiting for them to send me my money now. But I also qualified to at least take out $664, since you could take out 50% of your balance. But I'm not touching that yet until I at least hit, 2,500 at least, minimum in each account. Realistically, 3,000, because I want to be able to put out like 1,000 from each. But we'll see. Who knows? I might have more to pull out. But right now, I'm just trying to build that cushion. And also my risk management, I can only lose up to $200 in a day. I can't lose no more than that. As you guys can see right here, I have my risk settings pretty strict. So, I realized, at least for me, where I was fucking up was, the problem was not making money. The problem was just keeping the money that we can, that we make as traders. There'd be days where I'm making $1,000, and there'd be days where I'm down 200. Then I try to make that 200 back. Now I'm down 500 or 400. Then I'm down 1,000. And I'm like, bro, I just gave back the whole $1,000 day in a day. So I had to stop that. And I also had I had 2 funded accounts last year, but unfortunately my mother passed away, and I blew those 2 funded accounts, and I had to recuperate this year. But it's fine. It's still the beginning of the year. It's only March. I'm only 3 months in, and I'm already requesting the payout. After getting them refunded again. But yeah, man, it's kind of mind blowing, like seeing all this yellow right here, and then soon, once I pass this 50K combine, right now on these, I'm sitting around a 60% win rate, which isn't too bad. It's not too bad, Could be a little bit better, but the market's been a little bit tricky since this Iran war shit that's been going on, or whatever. But I'm still navigating through it. I'm still making money. I'm still being profitable right now, and that's all that matters. I realize, for me personally, as long as I keep my risk settings at 200 until I build that base in order to scale up more, and have more of a cushion, so I can, maybe risk $300 or $400 in a day, when I start going even a heavier size. You just got to take it slow. Where we mess up as traders is we don't want to build that cushion. Everybody wants to make thousands of dollars in a day. But then when you lose, you're not cool with losing. That's not how this works. You can't be, you can't have one without the other. You know what I mean? That's not how this works, and that's one thing I've realized as well. But it's just mind blowing. Like, look at this. Like, I can request 3 payouts if I want to. Look at that. Congratulations. 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 I can request 3 more payouts on top of this 500 if I wanted to. Like I said, I'm not, because I'm building my base. But man, God is good, man. I can't complain. Look, status finalized. That's one reason I personally like Topstep rather than Apex, because the rules are much more simpler, man. I don't like that 30% rule stuff because it just restricts your trading. But that $150 for 5 days, that's easy. You know what I mean? Like, who can't do that? If you can't follow these rules on here, shit, it might not be no hope for you. It's like, nah, it's always hope. But yeah, man, you guys gotta lock in. Like, I locked in. That's why I just kind of disappeared for a little bit. But now I'm back. I'm gonna start reposting videos again. But I just wanted to show you guys, man. This is what hard work look like. This is what hard work look like, bruh. January 25th is when I fucking started this account that I pulled some money out from. I'm still sitting at 2,300 right now. God is amazing. Like, come on, bruh. My win rate is lower on this one, but I don't care about that because February was a harder month for me, just price action wise. And I was trading a lot in Asia session. I was just getting smacked back and forth. But I mean, I was profitable, but not as profitable as I could have been. I had way more red days in February, but guess what? I was still profitable. So we were still good. You found me. But yeah, man. Just the break and retest strategy, watching price break lows, break highs, retest them. Simple shit. Might gotta adjust a little bit due to some shit, but yeah, I'm down $70 on the day today, which is practically nothing. It's from Asia session though. I tried to try to go short. I was expecting something else to happen. We might get a short play in Asia session, depending on how this price action lines up here. We just might get that, but we'll see. Yeah, man. I'm ecstatic, man. This year is about to be crazy. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, say for instance, if I make $500 when I pass this last challenge, which I will do, 500 times 5, that's 2,500. I don't need to make thousands of dollars a day to make thousands of dollars a day, if that makes sense. Because I'm compounding on multiple accounts. That's what it's about. Bruh, fuck. Man, y'all need to hit the like and subscribe button right now. Just hit the like and subscribe button right now, because this journey is finna get crazy. I'm telling you right now, the journey is about to get crazy, But, yeah, man. I've just been chilling. Just been chilling. But yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you guys right now. Since my first video back, I don't want to make it too long, but just wanted to show you guys the progress. I wanted to show you guys that I'm still working, I'm still working, but it's crazy, man. Hold on, I gotta look at this again. I gotta look at this stuff again. Like, look at this. Congratulations, bruh. Thank you, bruh. God is good, man. Sometimes it's weird to be like, yo, I'm really a funded trader, bro. Like, really pay myself. But at the same time, it's like, I work for this shit. You feel me? It ain't luck. It's 4 years worth of work y'all looking at right here. Like, really starting to bear its fruits. Feel me? And that was, I think that was a big problem with me with Apex, was their rules. That's why I could never always get denied my payouts. But yeah, we cooking with fire now. But anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you guys tune in to the next video. I think I'm gonna post me a market recap when I trade. If I trade New York session, whenever I trade, I'll start posting my videos again. Anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and make sure you guys comment. What would you like me to explain? Do you want to know more about my strategy, how I trade, etc.? But anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.